Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you an all-in-one screen recorder and video editor designed to meet the needs of creators across multiple fields. Whether you are a YouTuber, teacher, gamer or business professional, DemoCreator allows you to capture your screen, webcam and microphone with ease and then edit everything in one place for a polished professional final product. Let's take a deeper look at how this tool can elevate your content creation. Demo Creator is perfect for a variety of real life scenarios. Here are just a few examples. Creating online courses. For educators, creating and engaging online courses is made easy with Demo Creator. You can record your screen, narrate your lesson, and add annotations, making sure your content is clear and captivating. Plus, with features like quiz and interactive elements, you can make learning even more engaging for your students. If you are a gamer, Demo Creator has you covered. Record your gaming sessions in high quality while capturing your webcam and voiceovers simultaneously. It's great for streaming and creating gameplay tutorials and walkthroughs. Demo Creator is also ideal for creating product demos, tutorials, and business presentations. Whether you are demonstrating software, explaining a complex process, or showcasing your product, Demo Creator lets you deliver your message with clarity and professionalism. If you provide tech support or create software tutorials, Demo Creator allows you to walk viewers through troubleshooting steps, offering a seamless experience with features like screen drawing and callouts. Now let's dive deeper into the powerful features that make Demo Creator a game changer. Demo Creator gives you multiple options for screen capture. You can choose to record your entire screen, a specific window, or a custom region, so you are only capturing the content you need. With adjustable frame rates, you can ensure smooth, high quality video capture even during fast paced actions like gaming or software demonstrations. One of the standout features of Demo Creator is its ability to capture your webcam feed alongside your screen recording. This is especially useful for tutorials, videos, or gaming content, whether your face and reactions can engage your audience. You can also record clear and crisp audio using your microphone, and Demo Creator provides advanced audio settings for noise reduction and volume control. Demo Creators comes with a wide variety of annotations tools to enhance your videos. You can add text, arrows, shapes, and highlights to emphasize important points. If you are creating an online course or tutorial, interactive elements like clickable buttons, quizzes, and hotspots make it easy for your audience to engage directly with your content. The screen drawing feature is a fantastic addition. The screen drawing feature is a fantastic addition, especially for instructional videos. While recording, you can use a digital pen to draw directly on the screen, highlighting key elements or illustrating steps as you go along. It's great for explaining complex tasks or showcasing product features. After recording, it's time to edit. Demo Creator's multi-track timeline editor makes video editing smooth and intuitive. You can trim, cut, and rearrange clips with ease. This non-linear editor lets you organize your footage in layers and transitions, insert effects, and even sync multiple tracks together, all in one place. The drag and drop interface means you don't need to be a pro to create stunning videos. To give your videos a professional feel, Demo Creator offers a wide selection of transitions and visual effects. Whether you are switching between scenes or creating dynamic intros and outros, you can choose from a variety of transitions like fades, wipes, slides, and more. The software also offers color correction, filters, and other special effects to make your video look polished. For more advanced users, Demo Creator also supports green screen functionality. If you want to replace your background with something more engaging or relevant to your content, you can easily use the chroma key effect to remove the background and replace it with anything you like. One of the standout features is the ability to apply video editing in real time while recording. If you are demonstrating software or giving a tutorial, You can pause the video and instantly add notes, arrows, or highlights as we explain, creating a more dynamic viewing experience. When you are done exporting your video is easy with DemoCreator. You can choose from a wide range of formats including MP4, MOV, AVI and more. You also have preset options for platforms like YouTube, Vimeo and social media. Ensuring that your video is optimized for sharing, you can also export your project directly to different resolutions from HD to 4K. DemoCreator is an incredible tool for anyone looking to create high quality video content with ease. Whether you are making online courses, gaming content, tutorials, or business presentations, DemoCreator gives you all the features you need to make your videos stand out. With its powerful screen recording and editing tools combined with interactive elements and real-time drawing, it's truly a game changer for creators of all levels. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.